Solano Airshow. Kaiser Permanente. Together, we thrive.
Good for you. You hold everybody.
Over the course of 10 or 12 hours, you can be thrashing around in the cockpit and you're going to be exhausted and dehydrated by the end, so you've got to really pace yourself. Nick's interested in learning more about the U-2. He's actually the guy you want to talk to. So swing on by and talk to him after the show. You'll notice he's coming back with the landing gear down. He's gonna configure the aircraft just to make it kind of look a little bit like what it would descend like if the engine was out. I know you're going, hey, Huggy, it's not really coming down that fast. Yeah, the plane doesn't come down that fast, even with the engine out.